Welcome back. In the previous class, we have discussed much about what are operators and how many types of operators are there in C++. Today we'll do the very first one, which is the arithmetic operator. And if by chance you don't have any idea about programming, but you do have learned maths or mathematics in your schools, you're going to see pretty common operators which you have been used. An arithmetic operator is probably the most easiest one to understand because you can relate it to maths directly. So when it comes to arithmetic operators, all those common mathematical operations which we do using the arithmetic operators. For example, the very first one is plus or addition. So in simply the addition which we do in maths, like for example 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, common thing like that. Here in programming, we just change it to adding variables, and variables can have different values, and you can give any other values to it. For example, I have to make if I have to make two variables, for example, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, you should know what will be the answer that will be stored in the sum. So sum will be, if I print the sum, it will be 3. So it's very simple to understand arithmetic operators. The first one is plus. Second one would be subtraction or minus. I'm pretty sure you can relate now. The third one would be multiplication. Multiply. Fourth one will be division. Fifth one is modulus. Now this maybe somebody will get confused, like what is it if you don't know it. Let me tell you or give you the idea about it. Modulus we write using the percentage symbol. Now what does modulus do is basically is that it's very simple to understand. Let's say if you have a number, if I have 10 and one number I have 5. If I ask you that if I divide 10 divided by 5, can you tell me the answer? Obviously you can. The answer will be 2. So what does modulus do is, modulus job is to give me the remainder of a division. That means it will directly give me the remainder of any division. For example, if I have, let's say, 217 divided by 18, for example. Now I'm going to divide it as normally we do, 217 divided by 18. So 18 ones are 18, 37, 18 twos are 36, remainder will be 1. So if I do like this, that 217 modulus of 18, it should directly give me the answer 1, because that's what the remainder is. So you can get the remainder of any two divisions using the mod. If I give you one more example, if I write here 625 mod 25, I know this answer will be 0 because 625 is completely divisible by 25, because 25 into 25 we get 625. So like that. So you will directly get the remainder of a number using mod. Now there are two more operators which we call as increment and decrement operator. This one are a little bit complicated because we don't generally see it in maths. So this one we will do in the next video.